Back, everyone. Well, what better way is there to support the community than helping our city's youth? And we have CEO Cami Kirkendall and co-chair Christy Bullard of Youth Services for Oklahoma County. They're here to tell us how we can make a difference at this year's annual Reach for the Stars event. Ladies, welcome.
Thanks for having us.
This is 14th year for this event?
Oh. Yes.
Tell us about it.
Well, we're really excited.
Yeah, it's a wonderful event. We have a live band, we have casino games, we'll have a silent auction and a live auction with some wonderful items. And most importantly, we're raising money for an incredible cause right here in our community.
Well, first I want to explain we have a picture of Las Vegas behind us. And the reason is, because people are thinking, what does that have to do with this? That's the theme.
It is.
Is that correct?
It is like a classy Vegas Rat Pack. Yes.
The good side of Vegas.
Old
That's
Vegas.
exactly right.
Old
That's
Vegas.
exactly right.
Now explain what you guys do, some of your endeavors.
Absolutely. Well, at Youth Services for Oklahoma County for over 40 years, we've been providing counseling, mentoring, shelter, and support for teens and their families here in the Oklahoma County area.
How needed is that in our area?
Very needed, unfortunately. You know, obviously, it's one of those things we would like to one day go out of business.
Right.
But unfortunately, as long as the need is there and the need continues to grow, we provide those services for teens and their families that a lot of folks maybe are not aware of.
Well, let's talk about what are some of those services?
Absolutely. Well, we have an emergency shelter. So there are times when, unfortunately, young people find themselves without a safe, warm place to stay, and we can provide that shelter for them over a temporary amount of time while we're working in partnership with others, case managers or DHS, to find them a long-term situation. We provide counseling for young people who are struggling. Growing up is tough these days. And so sometimes they just need someone to talk to or some support for their families. We work with a lot of young people who have made some not so great decisions that have ended up creating some negative consequences for them. And so we believe, though, that everyone deserves a second chance. And so we want to provide that services and help them find the good in themselves and make good things out of their lives in the long run.
So switching back to Reach for the Stars and the event specifically, I mean, so Vegas theme, let's talk about some of the activities that you guys are going to be having there.
Right, so we'll have a live auction and we'll have some incredible items, including a helicopter ride with our OKC Police Department.
Ooh, that sounds fun.
Yes, we'll have a
How did you get that
Yeah,
cleared?
that
That is
sounds great.
really
We know
hard to
some
do.
people.
I've tried that one a million
They have
times. That's
connections.
impressive.
They have more connections than we do.
Obviously.
Clearly.
You should come to the event and
I
get
know.
on the ice and get a ride.
That would be fun.
We also have some jewelry and some furs and a puppy,
Oh.
a house in Gold Shores, Alabama that is lovely.
She was
Just
up
went there
there.
for spring break. It's
It's a
fabulous.
fun place. So we have lots of great options. We also have a silent auction that you can bid on, and there'll be
looks
tons
beautiful.
of great items. And then we'll have, like I said, casino games. So we'll stay and play and have live music.
And these are pictures from last year.
Yes.
Yes,
event,
there's
right?
the puppy from last year. He was
So
a
wanky.
hot ticket. Everyone
No, I
loved him.
bet.
Yeah.
People love the puppy.
And they can be really expensive, so that's great.
I know,
Yeah.
people bid them up too. Those are always good items.
Yeah.
Who wants to tell us about the Guardians program?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Well, we had a local attorney, Dean Stringer, who came up with this idea, and the idea was to get at least 100, and we've hit our mark, so we're so excited, that's why we're celebrating. But Guardians are folks in our community who pledge for 3 years to donate $1,000 a year.
Okay.
So it is one of those, you know, with budget cuts and tough times in Oklahoma, it is important that we have folks who support us no matter what, and we have that money coming in every year that we can count on.
That is nice. Stable there.
Yeah, definitely
Yes.
fill some gaps.
Now, let's talk about kind of the specifics of the event. Where, when,
the
people can buy
venue,
tickets. Yeah,
yes.
all the good stuff.
We do have tickets available, so you can
Yeah.
call us or come to our website, which is ysoc.org. And it is at the Chevy Events Bricktown Center, and it's a great center. It's been redone in the last couple of years, and it's just a fabulous event space. And it begins at 6 o'clock on Friday, April 29th.
Oh boy, that's going to be a great
It should be a
time.
great party. It's a great way to celebrate our supporters and invite others to come and learn a little bit more about the agency. And we need our community support now more than ever because, as you mentioned, the need is growing. And unfortunately, due to budget issues, our resources often, we struggle to make sure we have enough to cover those services. So we could really use some additional support this year.
And as you said, those services very needed. Have you seen more of a need for them as the years have gone on? Or, I mean, what are we seeing as far as trends?
Yeah, you know, I think that the need kind of ebbs and flows, but I think that there's always a need for someone to step in and help fill the gap for some of the young people who struggle and maybe don't have that support on their own. And so that's where we kind of find our niche, and are really proud of our ability to help accompany those young people into successfully transitioning into adulthood.
Wonderful work.
Having
You're
some
doing.
fun for a good cause.
That's right.
YSOC.com, right?
You got
.org.
it.
Org. Okay,
Right.
YSOC.org for tickets. We want to make sure you get that. Still tickets available Friday the 29th. Fun for a good cause. Ladies, thank you for being
Thank
here.
you. It's
Thank you for having
Vegas
us.
time.
Yes.
I love it.
Should be a fun party.
Have a great week, okay?
Thanks so much.